Implementation knowledge, ADM 940. Okay. So similarly, you have the another one that is going to your after ADM 940 is completed, ADM 950 is there. So again, ADM 960 is going on. NetViewer security. This is from NetViewer security, and this is from audit point of view. SAP security for auditing. Okay, and this is going to your ADM 960. It's going to your SAP NetViewer and NetViewer securities. So database point of view, we don't touch anything from previously because they are going to applicate. This is just is a fundamental. Maybe if you go to some blogs or something, they told that ECC security, HR security, CRM security, SRM security, but that is not an official courses. So you want to focusing official one. These are the okay. Maybe so some of the company they maintain the users in their own company portal. So maybe your company using SAP IDM. IDM is nothing but Identify Access Management. Okay. So these are again from the application side. From olden days means as a security consultant, I want to enrolling or I want to learning at SAP security. First of all, I want to complete a ADM 900, 940, 950, 960, and 920. These are the security courses will be completed. Even olden days, you don't have any certification code. So anything is regarding from Fiori point of S/4 HANA point of anything is there? No. Again, same thing. What I'm doing is just see the learning journey of SAP S/4 HANA Security Consultant. Now I want to learning at SAP S/4 HANA. Okay, so again should be compulsory. ADM 900 is a common one because of fundamentals is there. So I'm just taking it here. I'm using SAP. So I want to learning only S/4 HANA point of view. Okay, so you have to complete first of all ADM 900, ADM 940. That's two are compulsory, and after that SAP ADM 945. So S/4 HANA security. Coming to the UX 200. See, already in UX 200, you're discussing this is a SAP Fiori administration. No? Yes, it's administration and security also will be covered. So I can mention here UX 200 is going to be. So after that, no need to requiring IDM. So this is from application point of view. Now, after 2010 onwards, so most of the security concerns they're working as a database also. Then they want to able to learning at a HA 940. You can say 240. That is comes under HANA DB security. Okay. In the olden day, there is no security certification also. After completion of this courses, olden days, no security courses or no certifications also. But 2017 onwards, so these guys will be asking to the certification. So that is going to be so C underscore security authorization 20. What is this meaning? So in SAP certification starting with 3. Okay. Any certification starting with C is nothing but associate level. Means you can simply saying SAP associate associate system architect. System architect. System security art. What is this meaning means you can working at both application plus database. Architect is nothing both. This certification you can visible. I think right now 21 is also there. This is the certification code. So even same thing, same certification only. They're giving a T underscore. And this is coming to again here SAP professional. Any certification ID starting with P is nothing but professional. Okay, SAP professional system. It is the highest one. So in SAP, totally certifications are categorized into 3. Any certification ID starting with C is nothing but it is going to associate level. Any certification starting with P is nothing but is a professional. You can call it architect level. In between, you have one more is there. E is there. E is nothing but expert level. It's medium. So these are the three type of category certifications are there. Okay. So this is from your the learning journey of your SAP Security SAP for HANA Security Consult. Now you're getting the idea. Okay. So olden days as a SAP basis consultant, what are the courses I want to able to learn? So you have to learn the TADM 10, TADM 12, and TADM 55. Even so, if you go to TADM 55 is HANA database. Suppose my client using Oracle DB. Then what I do here, I want to changing the course is the SAP base is not changing, only database is changing. TADM 51, so Oracle DB. If we go to the Max DB 56, TADM 56 is there, means database wise it's good. Now I'm learning at SAP S5 HANA administration. Then what happened? So they are going to using this. So they are going to using all the first of all I want to go to fundamental of SAP S5 HANA. After that, all administration side from application point of view. After the database point of view. Even after completion of this, if you want to write the exam, yes. After completion of this courses, you are eligible to write the exam. That is the C_TADM 21_75. It is only I can using only S5 HANA associate consultant. So previously I'm asking one question, still I'm not get the reply. So as a SAP ABAP consultant, I want to learning a SAP ABAP from official is nothing but you want to following a TAWA 10 and TAWA 12. You have TADMs are there. Na? Anyone, what is the TAWA 10 and TAWA 12? ABAP. This is only ABAP. I'm just okay. It is not of school. So now as a ABAP consultant, I want to learning a SAP ABAP is nothing but I want to following a the certification material is the TAWA 10 and TAWA 12. TAWA is nothing but technical ABAP workbench. Okay, most of the customization they will be preparing a workbench only. Okay, ABAP, that is also ABAP workbench. Okay, that's why they're making it here. TAWA 10 and TAWA 12. Clear? This is from ABAP point of view. So now your understanding is why you are planning at this 50 days of training, and even after completion of this training, you are strong into the fundamentals, means is olden courses and new courses also. Okay. So this is just you can calling as the learning journey of SAP basis and security consultant. Means what are the flow to learning as a your SAP basis? What is the flow to learning of your SAP security courses? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone have the questions? Please let me know.
Sir, I have some small doubt, like how many attempts are there for one exam, like support project basis?
Yeah. For
PA,
example, in
administration 10.
which one?
Shri, you called my name?
No. I'm not calling.
Okay.
Tell me. Yes.
ADM
many-
900, ADM 940 is there, no? One by one, step by step certifications. In I have failed in ADM 900 for first attempt, but how many days are left to again reattempt?
Let's see. Now, whatever the certification code I'm given, the syllabus is all these courses, not only one course. Okay. So suppose here,
Okay.
I want to write this exam. What is the syllabus is nothing but, so I want to take this all are the syllabus. Only ADM, I do ADM only in ADM 900, I don't have any certification exam. Okay. So now I want to apply this certification exam. The syllabus is going to ADM 900 I want to complete it. ADM 940 can complete it. Okay, the syllabus is. Okay, so you have to go to ADM 945. You have to. The syllabus is all books I want to read, all are some courses I have to complete it, including application plus data. Okay, then you can say I am certified from your SAP Security. Simply. Okay, don't say I'm taking ADM 100. I'm completing. I'm doing the course. I'm completing my security means no. So these all courses will be completed. Then you can say I'm completing SAP Security. Okay. Similarly, let's say I want to completing this SY4 HANA certification. The syllabus is the TADM 10 and TADM 12. Let's see this. Yeah. So let's say here now I want to. This is the certification code, correct? So let's say I want to do the certification. The syllabus is I want to read the TADM 10, TADM 12 plus TADM 55. I have to complete this all the courses. After this, I want to apply and get this course. So this certification code. Understand? Individual courses, there is no certification. So you have to complete all administration courses, all security courses, then only you are eligible to write the exam. Understood? So let's see now you're coming to attempts point of view, number of attempts, correct? Let's say here I'm just going to any right now I think golden days onwards what happened they're providing us some kind of let's say it's SAP Sec Authorization 20. So guys, I'm able to opening some Google Chrome. So everyone able to see the Google Chrome. So what is the certification code here? The certification code is so just now I'm written C. C is nothing but it is a associate level. Suppose any certification starting with P is nothing but professional. So any certification ID starting with E is nothing but it's going to the expert level. So now I want to apply for this certification. What are the certification here? This certification is from your SAP Certified Technology Associate from your security and authorizations. Okay. Again, questions and all those things. Okay. Now coming to syllabus. What are the syllabus I told it here? So previously I'm discussing the slide. See, ADM 940, ADM 945. So ADM 945, ADM 900. Okay. So ADM 900. Again, ADM 900, 940. Okay. So again, it's going to the ADM 900, 950. So ADM 900, ADM 950. Understood? So I want to completing this certification means I want to write the exam. So I want to follow these are the weightage. So let's see, they give the topic wise. So this particular course is having a 12% weightage. Okay, just general weightage. Okay, and now 1 minute. This was clear. So I want to completing that SAP security course means I have to complete all the ADM series, ADM 900 series. Okay. After this, now you want to write the exam. So see. So this exam, total exam, one attempts you can pay in 16,646 rupees, excluding taxes, including taxes, almost it's going to the 18,000 yearly. That is from one attempt, only one time. Suppose one time you fail me, this entire amount is gone. So you have 6 attempts are there. Okay. So one more is going to 6 attempts are there. 6 attempt cost is going to 41,616 rupees will be there. So including taxes almost is going to 45,000 yearly. Okay. So far is 6 attempts. Clear? Similarly, whereas to the basis point of view also. T underscore PADM 21. Whatever it is. Now they're removing, I guess. So PADM 55. You are not able to request. If you want to see the list of sub courses, you can go to the all the courses for the subscription. So in SAP finance point of view, security point of view, administration point of view, so even cloud point of view, they're providing all the certification courses here. Now I want to do only database courses. This is the score. So this is the C underscore HANA tag is only from HANA administration point of view. Okay, so let's go into the SPY for HANA administration. Now this is the security certification. You can TADM some. Now see the ABAP pointer. This is what C underscore Thawa 12. ABAP, who are taking SAP ABAP. Even simple finance, simple HS, simple procurement point of view also, they defining different modules. These also. I think currently it's not available. They're removing right now. See, almost all certification SAP SPI for administration planning, source and package. This is from guides. TS 452. Sorry, 19.0 is the version. SPI 400 1909. The procurement pointer. So let's say, suppose I'm taking a SAP. This is the business integration, quality management, success factors. These are the SPI 400 related. This is the SPI 400 TAD 22 is there. Okay. So now if you want to see the detail, currently you're learning these are all the courses. So now I want to taking it a certified certification of your SPI 400 system administration. Okay. The course code is going C underscore TAD. Previously 21 is there, now they're going to 22, means 2022. Every year there will be year wise they replaced. What the courses will be there? Now if you want to see the ADM 1110 or TADM 12. So here TADM 55 J21. You can just go to your course content also. Whatever the course content is shared by the Priya, you can just check it. ADM 325, the version SAP S5 4HANA. And coming to so ADM 100 and ADM 113, ADM 800. So UX 100, UX 200. Okay, system concepts. Now, which training you're taking right now? So you want to understanding SAP for HANA architecture. So I'm taking SAP tech training, right? Technical concepts. Means SAP basis point of view, the learning journey, what I'm giving to you. Okay, just look up it. Okay? So I'm just pasting to chatting also. So whenever if you have free time, we can look up that. Okay. So you have to completing the basis point of view. You want to completing those all the certification exams. Security point of view, two categorizations are there. So again, is level of expert. Suppose, so Sri, I'm the freshers now. So I want to learning SAP security. I want to go to the certification is a paper, the question pattern and the questions are very less. Like the weightage point of view, even difficulty point of view. Then what I'll do here, then associate point of view, SAP S for security authorization 2020. So this is the course right now. You will do the security point only. Security point of view. Okay, same security topic. Let's say once I'm getting the experience. Okay, once I'm getting experience, Same courses, I'm hands-on point of view. Okay, along with even I want to know, I have a strong knowledge on my SAP security, means experience point of view. I can take this. What are the difference between this and this? Let's see the details. So previously, I told you, any certification starting with C is nothing but associate level. Any certification starting with E is nothing but it is going to expert level. Any certification starting with P is nothing but professional. That is the architect level. See here, professional. It is an architect. Means you are expert from that particular subject. Okay. So whenever I want to write any exam, I have to completing it all the courses inside of the syllabus. Let's see ADM 945, HA 940, okay, ADM 909. Okay. All ADM and 900 series comes on your S5 HANA. All your TADM, TADM series comes under your TADM series will becomes under your administration side. Similarly, I want to learning at a simple procurement and simple material management or ABAP point of view. So everywhere the learning journey is there. Okay. Don't following the Udemy courses. Don't buy waste of your money also. Okay. First of all, you can follow the SAP official learning journey. After that, once you are expert, even you don't understanding the technical perspective, then after that you can searching the blog or you can searching at some of the YouTube videos. Clear? So before moving, any questions?
Yes, Shri. Like as we are fresher, some of us are fresher like me from PGPM background. So how different will be or how much efforts we have to put extra to understand this SAP tech administration and security rather
Yeah.
than being understanding the SAP functional modules like SD or FICO.
Yeah.
So how much difference and how much extra efforts we have to put in here?
No. The administration point of view means you have to focus. It means currently you're taking SAP basis training up
Yes.
to 4 to 5 experience. You get achieving at a SAP basis. This knowledge is sufficient. Up to
Okay.
4 days. Okay, for whatever the training you learning. Na, the topics are covered like SAP Tech ADM 100, 8113. This is sufficient. Okay. Now I'm going to like a more experience. Like I had to go to 4+5+ experience. Then you have to go to the your OS, like some of the fundamentals on the OS and some of the fundamentals of the cloud, some of the fundamentals on the network, some of the fundamentals in the databases. Whatever the concepts you're learning here, same concept you have to making it like a professionalize. You can say R&D to getting at a more in-depth level. So right now, what are the courses you're learning from SAP basis like SAP Tech ADM and ADM? They will give the overview where all the points will be covered. Once you complete this, okay, once you complete all these courses and you can put the project in the project, you're learning 100%. When I'm doing project point of view, you're doing only 20 to 30%. Maybe if you're working support project, maybe if you go to the migration project, you can putting whatever the courses you're learning, it's go to the 40 to 50% you can use. Maybe if you want to learning like maybe we're involving the implementation project, so 100% is all the courses you have to and I want to go into in-depth level. Means again it's a based on your experience and based on the what are the projects will be getting. Okay, everyone after completion of this training, everyone put the same project? No, obviously no. Some of the guys are going to support, some of the guys are going to migration, some of the guys are going to conversion. Okay. So at that time, we want to focusing in more in-depth level. Okay. So here you don't want to require any functional knowledge. You have to support into the functional team, whatever the issues they're getting. So that is our daily responsibility. I'll explain what are the responsibilities later. Okay. So means you have to focusing only from the technical point of view. Means what are the OS, what are the database, and what is the meaning of host, what is the meaning of like a difference between the client and mission server. This is just fundamental. As I say, any OS fundamental, any database fundamentals you require. Then you can play with SAP basis easily. Okay. Otherwise, SAP basis play with you. Okay. Similarly, if you're learning not only from SAP basis, even if you're learning as a SAP ABAP also, entire SAP department, the ABAP is a coding. The remaining department, nobody has a coding. So directly I want to learning SAP, but nobody understand. First of all, you want to understanding a C, C++, OOPS concepts. Okay. So most of the above courses are almost 40 to 50% going to OOPS concepts only there. So without OOPS concept, without C++, suppose you are the you are the mechanical engineer, civil engineer, you directly put into the SAP basis, they will be like a different, okay? They don't know anything. They will be just like a hell. They want to learning again fundamental. First of all, they learn C, after that C++, after the OOPS concept, after that they're going to the ABAP. Okay. Any SAP model, some of the fundamentals are compulsory. Okay.
Okay,
So,
like because as you
yeah.
hello. Yeah, so as you said, like for a graduate, any OS and database basic trainings are required. So
Yeah.
like I have
Not
joined like 1 month,
right.
one hello.
Yes, yes.
So I have like joined 1 month back as a fresher, and I didn't get like I didn't applied or get any OS or database training. So
Yeah.
this is my first proper training, SAP
Oh,
basis.
okay, okay.
So
That's why I
how
told.
should I understand that things so that I can learn more quicker in SAP basis as well?
Okay, fine. That's it. That's what I said. So you have during the training itself, I have to give the some of the fundamental knowledge. Suppose you're learning a HANA assumption. Today you're learning a HANA database training. So HANA database is going to purely for the Linux operating system. So during the HANA database training, we'll be giving some of the fundamental how to creating users in HANA DB, sorry, in Linux machine, how to create a folder and how to providing an authorization to folder based on the Linux command. So those commands you can provide to you during the training itself. Okay. Parallelly, if you do some kind of hard work to learning a basic Linux commands to access my HANA TV, then it is useful for you. Okay, so compared to remaining other courses, you can learn easily for to accessing your database. That is one. So in training point of, you have to build from scratch level onwards. Okay, I'm saying this is the graduate to hire is nothing but in general cases. Okay, any organization will be following this procedure. But currently, what happened? So ITL training is basically any induction training is going. After that, they're putting the training from the SAP basis is nothing but. So that's why they're putting in the fundamental training. Okay. But even if you have any software course is nothing but it should be compulsory to understanding some fundamentals that you can do your R&D. Okay. Even if you're not understanding, you can ask me. I will explaining it during the break time or some time. I will explaining for getting 100% knowledge. Okay. But your side is you can do the hard work for just like some basic Linux command, basic Windows commands is required. Database is you are already learning databases. You're providing entire courses. No need to do. So just fundamental knowledge onto the operating system that is sufficient. Okay, like you're using Windows operating system. Currently, you have laptop. You're using either Windows. I think you're using either Windows 10 or Windows 11. You're using correct. So just similarly, we have the Windows server is how it's looking like. And Linux machine is how it's looking like. Linux is open source. You can download, you can practicing basic command, not in depth basic command, how to create a folder in Linux. Okay. How to providing the authorization to some of the direct. These are the basic commands are sufficient. Okay, because in the ones if you go to the project, what happened? So inside of your basis console, you have a support team, like a Linux team will be there. So if you have any kind of issues with the Linux operating system, so the Linux administrator will be take care of you. Okay, you don't have the total access. Okay, you have only access of your HANA DB to installation point of view, configuration point of view. Maybe any memory like memory issues are there, you can contact with the OS team, please increase the memory. Okay? They have support team is also there. Don't worry about that. Okay. Even not only from you, even from who are from SAP, even SAP, ABAP, and SAP some other department, they are also new from the OS, they are also new from the database. They have only what is the meaning of transaction code, how the SAP environment is there. They only know that. Okay. So remaining, even they don't have any knowledge on the database, they don't have knowledge on the operating system. Don't worry about that.
Okay, thank you, Sri.
So any questions?